Hi, this is Roger Thomas from Connecticut. I am currently a member of the Clever Investor Mentoring Program, and over the last 10 months in the program, I have closed 3 wholesale deals. With my mentor, I have learned the types of marketing that work best for me, the systems to put in place to help me do this while still working a full-time job, and also the goals of what I'm working towards for new methods of lead generation in the future. I also have 2 contracts that I'm waiting to close on, and a lot of leads that I'm currently working on. With the guidance of the Clever Investor family, I have really honed in what my niche is in the wholesaling market and the best lead generation techniques that work for me, that allow me to work on this business while still maintaining my full-time job. With everything going on now, I am planning to leave my job by the end of this year and do this full-time. I really want to thank the Clever Investor family for everything they've done to help me and guide me along this journey. And it has been an excellent ride, and I can't wait to show them what I do in the future. Thank you.